Hi Fifth, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night, baby. Say hello.
Hello.
Sarah, say hi.
Hi.
Tyler, say hi. Watching my fake sleep. Faker. Another day, another adventure, you guys. Today we are heading to a park, a big park in the city that we are. We are in Avignon, where my husband's family and friends and everybody that belongs to him are. So whenever we come here, it's always go, 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 go non-stop. So if you watched the previous vlog, yesterday we went on another adventure. If you haven't seen that, please go ahead and catch up. And today's a brand new day and it's another one. So we are heading to this park that we've always wanted to go to, but we've never been. So that's where we're heading today. Should be a good day. The weather is good. It's not too hot as of right now. And babe, one of my really close friends, is in front of us, which is also the godfather of Sarah. So yesterday you met the godfather of Tyler. Today you're meeting the godfather of Sarah, and he's in front of us with his kids. His wife is working, so she's not with us today. But yeah, let's go have some fun. Sarah, you ready to have fun?
Yes.
Tyler, how about you?
Yes.
Yeah, that does sound convincing, but I'll take it. Anyway, you guys, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Catch up and keep up. I'm still not feeling so well. If you can hear my voice sound like I'm talking up in my nose, that's not intentional. It's because I'm sneezing and sniffing and you name it, I'm doing it right now. Anyway, catch up and keep up. Subscribe if you're new to the family. Man, we'll catch you guys throughout the day. I'll try and my best to capture as much as possible, because as you guys may or may not know, I'm vlogging from my phone because my computer is KO and it doesn't make sense to vlog from my camera, because then I would have anywhere to take out the footage and put it and edit it. So I'm still trying to get you guys footage, hence I'm vlogging on my phone. No excuses. Let's go. Anyway, see you guys later. Okay, so this is the name of the park that we are. Hey, repeat.
So Spirou is like a cartoon book story. So Spirou is the boy in orange.
Okay, I'm gonna show you
And
guys.
then after, you know, they're very different, right? So they have other characters coming. But basically it's about the book story.
Okay.
But then the Smurf come to it. Bully Bill came to it. That Bully Bill is a little orange, and the dog, the marsupilami, came to it. But it's all, I think they all belongs to the same writer.
Okay. So some of these rides I ain't even looking at because on the child it's high and I ain't going on it. But let me show you the orange boy that Papa is talking about. He is right here. And Tyler is already clunching to me because he know he won't be doing a lot of these high rides. Tyler is a coward like I am. We're in. We made it through control. Sarah, you excited, Sarah? Oh, look. Sarah, look at Stones. Ah, look. This is Stones. You want to take photo of Stones? Oh, yeah, she said she's waiting. We made it in, and there's everything that a park would normally have is in here. So we're excited to see. Look, Ty, you see? It's everywhere. Wow, you're a big girl. There you are. You're here.
But it's to do the...
Sarah, quoi? Okay.
Ready, Sarah? Ready? He's gonna go now. Another one. Tyler. Sarah.
I can't talk except screaming.
We're in a swing. And it's gonna go up and go fast.
Isn't that bad?
Oh my god! Ah! It was. C'est petit, mais il. Tu aimes ça? Ah bon? Ah oui. Bien. Merci, au revoir. Oh my gosh. On va chercher Isaac là-bas.
Oui, on va aller chercher d'abord.
Et après, il y a un festival pas mal, la fleur, je sais plus lequel. Alors lui, tu ressors trempé aussi.
Ouais, parce que j'ai vu que tu splashais les arbres.
Oui.
Faut juste le savoir.
Oui, ma chérie. Oui, je sais.
Ah, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Sarah, look. Sarah, look here. We're riding. What time it is, Ty? What time it is? Lunchtime. Ah. Ready to eat? Sarah? It's yummy? Time to pause, full our stomach, and then go at it again. Lunchtime! Lunch. Watch them scream over there. Going through the park, so much attractions. Which one is this one?
The soft one, roller coaster.
Oh! Oh, so it's time to scream.
Mama, you can't go there. Mama, no. Nothing to do it. Mama, you're not.
Je sais.
Tu l'as fait ça?
But I'm here in the good way now. Huh?
Les M&M's.
No.
Tu sais, quand
Oui?
j'avais ça tombait les M&M's.
Come. Come under Sarah.
Ouais, ce sont les M&M's.
So we're going to roller coaster. Let's see how much I'll scream in this one. But this one apparently should be the least fast. So I'm looking forward to screaming. We're going in a roller coaster. It's inside there. Come.
I don't see.
Because you're short. But you'll see it as soon as we go up on the step. Okay? Tu vas à côté de papa?
Sarah, Mama, she was screaming.
How Sarah was?
Now you stop.
Non, ça va, merci, c'est bon. J'ai fait une vidéo, hein. So I was talking to you guys this entire time and didn't realize that he wasn't filming. So we did roller coaster just now, and I must say how proud I am of myself because I managed myself today. I screamed a lot. Tyler didn't go in it, but of course Sarah did, and we had the best time. Now we're going to do this one up here. Let me see if I can catch it again for you guys. So they're gonna come through this hole. Let's see if I can catch it real good. But it open, it's not coming.
No, it's when there's a green thing that gray thing that you need to come.
Which gray thing?
It's elevator.
Ah, it's gonna come now.
No.
Yeah. Look. And it's gonna come down and splash. So that's what we're gonna do right now. And Sarah is so excited. Sarah, you ready? Yes, look at her face. She's not afraid of anything. She's so excited. So that's what we're gonna do right now. And then we'll see what else we'll do for the rest of the day. But yeah, I won't be able to film that. Because of course I have to put the phone in the bottom of the bag so it don't get wet. Oh yeah. Let's go. Alright, next up we're at the Smurf Village. Sarah's favorite, so she's definitely looking forward. Ooh, to this one. Look at her. Sarah, go, we're gonna see Strump. She love her some Strump. Strumpf. What's Strump's called in English, babe? Hey, babe? What is called in English? Smurf. Smurf in English. I couldn't see. Sometimes I lose my English words literally. Let me tell you, that water drop just now. I am wet. I'm soaked. Look, my clothes wet. My shirt is soaked. Sarah head butt hit mine. Head butt mine. What am I saying? But they had fun. We screamed. I'm gonna show you guys a photo that they caught of us. Look at her. Sarah, you okay now? She was crying because a lot of the water splash on her. Sarah hates when the water splash on her. But anyway, we're going in the Smurf Village. It should be a film inside. So the day continues. Everybody's having fun. Look at babe, how I'm wet. Babe's wet. You'll see Sarah and Babe, they're all on this right way now. Sarah's laughing like crazy. Oh my gosh, my little dear devil. Oh yes, she's laughing like crazy. First day of school, my boy is off, and it's his last year at this school. How you feel, Ty? How you feel about it's your last year at this school? Huh? I can't hear you. You don't know? Say good morning to the faves. So this morning is the 2nd of September 2024, and Tyler is to be dropped at school at 8:20. Sarah is to be dropped at school at 9:45. So I have to be doing 2 runs this morning. But it is what it is when you have 2 kids. Do it like that. So that's my boy heading to school on his last year of the school. To make you guys understand it more, he's in 5th grade. Next year he goes to 6th grade. But here in France, 6th grade is called college, and you go to a different school from 1st grade to 5th grade. So this is me and my little munchkin going down the street to drop brother. She wants to get ready also, but she have to wait until her turn because she's so excited to go to school. Right, Sarah? Say good morning. And she wants to put on her clothes. Look at the school gate. Oh my god. School gate is full. Anyway, you guys. And baby number 2 is ready to go. Excited, princess? Yes. Girl is in last year of this section. Then next year she goes to grade 1, to the side that Tyler will be leaving. Look at her. Pretty in red. Red.
Yes.
She's so excited.
Another waitress.
She says she's... What is waitress in English? Teacher. She's so excited to go to another teacher.